Welcome to our channel. If you have American Express membership rewards points and want to use them to pay for purchases on Amazon, follow these step-by-step instructions to link your accounts and redeem your points. Step 1. Log in to your Amazon account by visiting the Amazon website or opening the Amazon mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to your account and select payment options or manage payment methods. Step 3. Look for the option to add membership rewards points or shop with points. Amazon has a partnership with American Express that allows eligible card holders to use membership rewards points for purchases. Step 4. If you do not see this option, you may need to enroll your American Express card first. Visit the American Express membership rewards website or log in to your Amex account to enroll in the Shop with Points program. Step 5. Once enrolled, link your Amazon account to your American Express membership rewards account. You will need to provide your Amazon login credentials and authorize the connection. Step 6. After linking your accounts, return to Amazon and add items to your cart as usual. Proceed to checkout when you are ready to complete your purchase. Step 7. At checkout, you will see an option to use membership rewards points. Select how many points you want to apply to your purchase. Typically, 1 point equals 1 cent in value when used on Amazon, though this can vary based on promotions. Step 8. Review your order total, which will reflect the discount from your membership rewards points. If your points do not cover the full purchase amount, you will need to pay the remaining balance with a credit card or other payment method. Step 9. Complete your purchase by confirming your order. Amazon will process the payment using your membership rewards points, and you will receive an order confirmation email. Your points balance will be updated to reflect the redemption. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.